Once again.
And here we are, day 4 of our renovation. Welcome to our video. Today we will be tearing down a stone wall. Tear this stone wall down using that fucking air hammer, chisel, air compressor. And if we get this done, well, if we get this done, then we're going to start demoing this wall right here. We're going to start tearing out that wall right there. So we're going to start chipping away at this damn thing where I know it's got sheetrock up behind it because you can see it for one thing. Now that we've done tore some of the stone off the side. And I can see it on the back of the wall, which is where the shower is supposed to be at. So we're going to go ahead on there and start chipping away at this shit. This air. Is it working? Hell yeah. We're going to attempt to pull the whole thing off the wall at one time. I definitely don't want that bitch to fall on nobody. Oh, Lord. Yeah. They pulled it out away from the wall. Man, if that bitch fell on you, it'd fucking kill you probably. Wow.
I wish we had that big slaves.
Well, now what we're going to do, stand underneath of it and hit it with the hammers? I'm just saying. I don't know, man, if that's a good idea or not.
It's a little late now.
Well, it's hard to say how this going to end up. Because it end up in the motherfucker being smashed. Well, we will see. Let me get back out of the way of this motherfucker. That seems to be working nicely. There we go. All right, I'm gonna put that on. We're gonna start beating some rocks down. Cut that shit with a fucking saw. Chunks, break it off, and then saws all that bitch at that. That's the ticket. To give you a little idea of how sharp this shit is, that fucking wire mesh behind there. This shit. Fucking gouge that hole in my hand right there. Look at that. So I say wear gloves. Be on the safe side. Don't do like we did. That shit's fucked up. Yeah, it's starting to get a little dangerous. There's a crack coming all the way across this motherfucker.
That's how I see it.
There's a lot of weight on that. It's starting to get a belly. So it could fall down. hundreds of thousands of dollars. We don't want nobody to get fucked up. So just pull that bitch down now. Let that bitch fall. I wouldn't stand on that side. You want to pull it down? Want to say we pull it down or what?
That's what I'm
Oh, how you want to do it? A piece of rope would be the ticket. Wrap it around the middle and walk out there away from it.
I might have a.
You know what I'm saying? Wrap it up, throw it all the way across right in the middle of that crack right there, and fucking come back in there, fucking yerk it, let it bitch fall. And the plan is to let this motherfucker come down and fall on that mattress. All 2,000 pounds of it. Let's see how that works out. So we can manage to get this bitch knocked down without breaking that big fucking window right out. And that's what you call a fucking carpenter's band-aid. Electric tape and a paper towel. Should get a little stitch, but that's okay. It'll heal. I should have caught it on video, this shit falling, man, but it felt perfect. It fucking came down and hit that fucking mattress and it folded back on top of itself and shit. I know the cat that used to live here, and I can't even imagine what's on that fucking mattress. He's a nasty dude. There it is. Fucking wall is gone. Lunchtime and the fucking wall is on the ground. Well, I'm talking about it. So we done took this wall down. Now we're just gonna break this shit up. So now we flipped it over on the back, and you can see this metal mesh and shit. It's got some nails sticking up in it and everything. So what the plan is to take a fucking masonry saw now and cut through this fucking mesh into fucking squares, and then take a sledgehammer and bust that bitch up, take it up into manageable pieces, and drag that bitch out to the trash can. So that's what we're gonna do now. All right, so we're down to this one piece right here. When it fell, it kicked back in that corner and that baseboard and knocked a hole in the wall right there. That ain't no big deal. It's an easy fix. So now, we don't wore the saw blade at. Basically, all I'm gonna be doing, we're fucking sitting here beating it fucking with a pickaxe, breaking it in pieces with that pickaxe right there. Then we'll fucking clean all this shit up and blow this bitch out. Move on to the next thing. All right, we're at the end of day 4, and we're now removing this wall that is between the dining room and the living room to open this space up. And we're gonna have to move all this fucking outlets and stuff. We're gonna move that switch over to that wall and get rid of that outlet down there. And we're gonna have to build a header to go across the top of here because it's a load-bearing wall. And it's gonna open up this area right here, across there to that room right there, and make everything look bigger. Also today, we'll remove this stone wall that was in here. That's gone. And some of the cabinets are starting to come out in the kitchen. So we're moving these cabinets out to get new cabinets. They're getting replaced. And the dishwasher's been disconnected. Let's move that. Sitting right there. All these little 1953 knotty pine cabinets are out, sitting in here, going to somebody's garage. So tomorrow, day 5, probably be working on building some support walls so we can start taking all this out and building a header and getting that put in. So subscribe to Get Go TV and make sure that you watch our videos and keep up with this project. And also have about 300 other videos on how to do stuff. And have a good day. If you got any, you can tell by looking at this house that it's been neglected. So if you got any questions, leave a comment, and I'll make sure I answer your question and get back with you. And stay tuned for tomorrow, day 5, house renovation. On Thursday, we're going to be coming in here and demoing out this old cast iron tub and putting a 3-piece around shower and tub in here. New toilet. And we're going to replace the pedestal sink with a vanity. Frame up this section on the wall right here with some new sheetrock. And then tear all that plywood down and start sheetrock and everything in here one day. Eventually ended up putting tile down on the floor, 12 by 12 gray tile. I think we're going with a light gray paint in the house. And we have a lot of sand and everything, a lot of drywall work left to do. That's got to take place. And once we get done with all that, then we'll be moving outside and working on wood rot. So this is where we're at the end of day 5. Stay tuned. Not the end of day 4. Stay tuned for part 5 tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Have a good day and subscribe to Get Go TV. Bye.